This is the drain assembly. The drain assembly has three parts to it. The first is the post, or sometimes referred to as the nipple, and the cap, and inside of the cap is a washer so that we've got a watertight seal. Now this side that the cap spins onto is garden hose threads, so that if you're going to be removing the cap and placing a regular female garden hose fitting over the end, that's the side for that. If you're going to install this into the threaded seal, then we want to make sure that the fine threads are the side that are screwing into the threaded seal, and it'll screw right in. Now, we don't need to use Teflon tape or caulk or epoxy or anything like that, because as you begin to screw the fine threads of this unit into our threaded seal, it will expand the threaded seal and give us our watertight seal between that and the drain assembly. So again, we don't need pipe dope, we don't need anything else on here when we go to screw this into place. So again, there are three pieces are part of our drain assembly. That's going to be the post or the nipple, the cap, and inside will be the washer.